In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page size in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Whether you need to switch a document from letter to A4, match a printer's requirement, or set a custom size for a specific project, this walkthrough will guide you clearly from start to finish. First, launch Adobe Acrobat Pro on your device. Give it a moment to load, then open the PDF you want to adjust. You can use the File menu to open your document or drag it into Acrobat if that's quicker for you. Make sure you're working on the correct file, especially if you maintain multiple versions. Next, look to the left sidebar and click All Tools. This expands Acrobat's full toolset so you can get to the features that control page layout. From there, choose Organize Pages. This workspace is designed specifically for managing page-related actions, from reordering and rotating to the size and crop settings we're about to use. In the Organize Pages view, find the sub-toolbar and click Set Page Boxes. In some versions, this may appear as Crop Pages. Both options take you to the same dialog that lets you control page dimensions. If you don't see it right away, check the Additional Options menu within the toolbar. When the dialog opens, scroll to the section labeled Change Page Size. This is where you'll make the key adjustments. You can pick a predefined size or set your own measurements depending on your needs. If you want a standard page, choose Fixed Sizes and select from the drop-down list such as Letter, Legal, or A4. This is the fastest way to conform your document to a common format used by printers and offices. Acrobat will apply the dimensions you pick, which is great for consistency across a multi-page file. If you need something more specific, switch to Custom and enter exact values in the width and height fields. Check the unit displayed. Acrobat typically uses inches or millimeters, so your measurements are accurate. This option is ideal for unique layouts, forms, or print specifications that don't match a preset. Before applying, look at page range. Decide whether the change should affect all pages or only a specific span. Enter the exact pages if you're targeting a subset, which helps preserve the rest of your document as is. When everything looks right, click OK to apply the size change. Finally, save your document. Consider saving a new copy so you can keep the original version untouched just in case you need to revert. And that's it. You've successfully changed the page size in Adobe Acrobat Pro.